Welcome all of you students once again in physics class. The topic defects of vision of human eye, the second part. What is the defects of vision? Defects of vision, there are three important refractive defects of vision in which we will study myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. In previous class, I have discussed about the myopia, and now today we have to learn about the hypermetropia. My dear friends, in hypermetropia, if a person suffering from such type of defective vision cannot see near object clearly, but he can see far object clearly. That's why it is also called far-sightedness. It is also called hard-sightedness or long-sightedness. Okay, that means it is that type of defect of vision. It is that type of defect of vision in which the person cannot see near objects clearly. This is the main points of the hypermetropia. The person having such type of defective vision is unable to see near object clearly, but he can see far object clearly. That's why it is called far-sightedness, long-sightedness defect of visions. So what happens? What are the causes of such type of defects of vision? In this defect, the person, this is the normal eye first of all, and the near points. The near point, the light rays coming from the near point object meet at the retina. That's why person is able to see the near object clearly. Okay, this is for normal eye. Now, in defective eye, hypermetropic defect, in what happens? Normal points just increases here. Now, and the light rays coming from the near point now does not meet at the retina but behind the retina. That's why that person is not able to see the near objects. The objects lying at near points because their converging property decreases, is lost. Here now the point is back side of the retina. That's why he is not able to see. So what happens in this? Supposing, then how can we correct? So what are the reason? The reason is that power of the lens. Power, this is the causes the power of the lens decreases. The power of the defective eye, that is hypermetropic eye, decreases. That is focal length increases. Okay, that's why the image of the object lying at near point is not from that retina but behind the retina. This is the first reason. This is the first cause of that defect of vision. And second is focal length, and eyeball becomes too small. Eyeball becomes too small. That's why the person suffering from far-sightedness is not able to see. This is the second eyeball becomes too small. Okay, so this is the two main important causes, reason due to which the hypermetropic person cannot see the near objects clearly. So now let us discuss about that. Supposing the near point is D for normal eye and D becomes now N dash here, N becomes N dash and that D becomes D. X dash. So how can you find the power? How can you find the focal length of that corrected? So supposing, and this can be corrected by using convex lens. Convex lens increases the power of converging of light rays coming from the near points at proper position at retina. So this defect of vision is removed by using aspects of convex lens of suitable power, suitable focal length. So person suffering from this defect cannot problem to see the far object, but he has problem to write or to read the near objects, any object, read the books also. So this is removed by using converging lens, that is convex lens. So now supposing here f is focal length of the used convex lens and x dash is the changed near point, near distance of that, and u is here minus, v will be minus x. Now using the formula, lens formula, to find that the corrected eye. So using lens formula. What is lens formula? So now see that 1 by f is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by e. Put this value x, u is minus 3 here, b is minus x. So now see that. So 1 by v is minus x dash and this is minus d. Now d is least distance of distinct vision, f is focal length of the used convex lens, x dash is here change the near points, that is x dash which is taken negative, and u is minus d, least distance of distinct vision. So using this formula we have to, using this data we have to find that. So this is minus 1 by x dash and plus 1 by d. Take LCM, that is x dash d, that is now minus d plus x dash. So 1 by f is equal to x dash minus d by x dash d. So f is equal to, this is the power 1 by f, the reciprocal of focal length is known as power, but we have to find the power is positive and we have to again, we have to find the focal length. So f is equal to x dash d into d divided by x minus d dash. This is the focal length of the used convex lens. This is the focal length. Expression of focal length f x dash into d divided by x dash minus d. This is the correct, and the power is, so this is the positive. So we have to use the lens having converging nature and which is convex lens. Thus we have to use, if suffering from farsightedness, you have to use convex lens. Okay, convex lens is used to rectify the defect of vision, hypermetropia. Okay, I hope that it will be very important. It will prove you to increase the knowledge about the defect of vision in part 2, hypermetropia. Thank you. Thanks a lot.